I cannot go to school, I cannot go shopping, I can't go to my friend's house. I'm so boring at home and I'm hungry. One day I went to my kitchen, I tried to cook something and I come up with an idea to cook my chayote, broccoli, shrimp fry, and I decided to share with you guys my recipes and I hope you guys enjoy my video. Let's get started. To be able to make chayote, broccoli, shrimp fry, we need chayote tuber, broccoli, salt, chicken powder, and shrimp. Let's get started. So I already poured some olive oil on my pan. Now I'm gonna turn the stove on high and let the pan sit for about 30 seconds or so it makes the pan getting hot. Now I'm gonna pour my chayote tuber into the pan. And then I'm gonna pour my broccoli onto the pan. Now I'm gonna turn this on medium so the thing won't burn. I'm gonna pour salt into this thing too. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and some black pepper. And I'm gonna keep stirring them for 2 minutes. And I'm gonna pour them out to the bowl. Next, I'm gonna pour some more olive oil. Now I'm gonna pour the shrimp into the pan and let's cook it. I'm gonna put 8 shrimp into the pan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean 8, but whatever. Now I'm gonna turn the stove on high. Put some pepper. Now I'm gonna use half of the teaspoon of the chicken powder and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm gonna mix them up. Now I'm gonna turn them to medium so the shrimp won't burn. I'm gonna keep cooking the shrimp for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna pour the vegetable into the pan and wait for 10 minutes. So right now it's 10:25, so I'm gonna wait until 10:35 and our food is ready to eat. And yeah, see you guys in 10 more minutes. Guys, so it's been 10 minutes and the food is cooked. Now I'm gonna pour them into a bowl and try them. So now I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna test it. I don't know what it tastes like. It smells good. And now I'm gonna taste it. down below. Tell me what should I do for the next video, and follow my Instagram over here. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys